Gohighlevel versus Activecampaign. Watch before getting. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you which marketing automation platform is better among Gohighlevel and Activecampaign. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So beginning with Gohighlevel. Gohighlevel combines CRM, marketing automation, sales funnels, and more into a single platform, making it convenient for businesses and agencies. Includes tools for managing client accounts, making it an excellent choice for marketing agencies and consultants. Offers white labeling options, allowing agencies to brand the platform as their own when offering services to clients. Provides integrated SMS, email, and call tracking features, enabling multi channel communication from one platform. Generally more affordable, especially for agencies managing multiple clients. Due to its comprehensive features, Gohighlevel may have a steeper learning curve for new users. While it offers many built-in tools, it has fewer native integrations compared to Agency Flow, best suited for agencies, which may not be ideal for all types of businesses. Now, let's come towards Activecampaign. Activecampaign designed to be easy to use with a clear interface and helpful resources. Robust email marketing tools with extensive automation options. Comprehensive reporting and analytics for email campaigns. Integrates with numerous third-party apps and services. Multiple pricing options to fit different business sizes and needs. Somehow, it lacks some of the broader marketing tools found in Gohighlevel. CRM capabilities are not as extensive as Gohighlevel. Some advanced features may require higher pricing tiers. Choosing between Gohighlevel and Activecampaign depends on your business's specific needs and focus. In 2024, the better choice hinges on whether you need a comprehensive, all-in-one platform with CRM and marketing automation features Gohighlevel or advanced email marketing and customer experience automation Activecampaign. That's all for this video.